In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Calendly link. If you want other people to book time with you quickly and easily, sharing your Calendly link is one of the simplest ways to do it. Once your event is set up, you can send that link anywhere you communicate, so people can view your availability and choose a time that works. Let's walk through the process from start to finish. First, log into your Calendly account. Make sure you're signed into the correct account so you can access the event types you want to share. After you're logged in, look to the left-hand menu and click Scheduling. This is where Calendly keeps your available event types, including the ones you've already created for meetings, calls, or appointments. Next, locate the specific event type you want to share. If you have more than one event listed, take a moment to confirm you're choosing the right one, since each event can have its own unique booking link. Once you find the event, click Copy Link next to it. This is the fastest option if you simply want to grab the booking URL and paste it somewhere else right away. If you want more sharing options, you can also click Share for that event instead. This is helpful when you want Calendly to present different ways to send or distribute the link. From there, select the sharing method you want to use. Depending on what Calendly shows, you may see options that are useful for direct sharing or copying the link for use elsewhere. Now copy the scheduling link provided by Calendly. Be sure the full link is copied so anyone who receives it can open your booking page without any issues. Next, paste the link into the place where you want people to find it. That could be an email, a direct message, a social media post, or even your website. Choose the platform that makes the most sense for your audience. After that, send or publish the link so invitees can access your booking page. Once it's live, people will be able to click through, view your available times, and schedule with you based on the event settings you've already created. Before you're done, open the shared link yourself to verify that it works correctly. This is an important final check because it helps you confirm the page loads properly and leads to the right event type. It's a quick way to avoid confusion for anyone booking with you. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Calendly link. Thanks for watching.